Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more app reviews and tech insights. Today, we're diving into the Inner Balance app, a unique tool designed to bolster your mental health and overall well-being. We'll explore its features, usage, and how it can help you achieve a more balanced and mindful state. Find additional details and links to the app in the description below. Inner Balance stands out as a mental health and wellness app specifically geared towards stress reduction, enhanced emotional well-being, and promoting mindfulness. It's an excellent resource for anyone striving to improve their emotional regulation and overall mental health through the power of biofeedback techniques and real-time insights. At the heart of Inner Balance lies its biofeedback-based stress management system. Leveraging your smartphone's camera, the app monitors your heart rate variability (HRV), a crucial indicator of stress and emotional resilience. By tracking your HRV in real time, Inner Balance helps you pinpoint moments of high stress and provides personalized breathing exercises to restore balance and calm to both your mind and body. These exercises are grounded in scientific research and have been proven effective in improving mental clarity, reducing anxiety, and fostering emotional stability. A key feature of Inner Balance is the real-time feedback provided during these breathing exercises. Through visual and auditory cues, the app guides you through slow, deep breaths, effectively activating your body's natural relaxation response. Over time, Inner Balance creates a personalized profile of your HRV and emotional trends, allowing you to monitor your progress and understand the impact of your daily activities on your mental state. Beyond biofeedback, Inner Balance incorporates journaling and mood tracking tools. These features enable you to document your emotional experiences and identify recurring patterns. This is particularly beneficial for individuals navigating specific mental health challenges like anxiety or stress, offering a clearer understanding of their emotional triggers. In conclusion, Inner Balance is a valuable resource for anyone seeking to manage stress and enhance their emotional well-being. Its comprehensive approach to mental health combines a biofeedback system, guided breathing exercises, and mood tracking features into a single, powerful tool. For more information and to embark on your journey towards better mental health, check out the links provided in the description below.